These guys are almost 7 weeks.
Careful, careful.
Here we go.
There you go. Good job.
And they're picking on Cole. They like her skirt.
Careful, Cole. Careful, Jackson. Watch out for
And
the dog.
Jackson's gonna
Can I have the green one?
brave the puppy attack.
I need to hold
Oh, he's smart.
I want to get these one. Okay. I'll need puppies.
Jackson, you're smart. There goes the skirt again.
And the shoes.
The attack of the puppies. Oh, it's okay, buddy.
Oh, ow! That's it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I need someone to help me get the green one.
The what?
I want to put the green one out there.
Oh, out here? Okay, then slowly back down. Careful of them.
Let's attack the puppies. I need the green puppy.
Oh, they got the skirt. Oh, they love the skirt.
Yes, you do.
And who's this?
Yes.
Oh, this little yellow collar. That's a little boy.
So
He's
cute.
gonna eat your hair. Eat your hair.
You only have 2 boys, right?
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Oh,
I need to hold the green one because I want to.
Okay, be careful with their paws if they're cold, okay?
Okay, I want to have the green one.
oh, he's gonna get your pants.